Thuê ra nhu TNC bằng. Toàn sai á TNC. That's visit man.
Lane per lane, it seems like the only real losing lane for Falcons is top. Is that aforementioned Cho versus Phovis lineup. So if they figure that out and they play that well, maybe even these turtles should.
Boom.
Ooh, Kirk gets bursted down.
Cái tay khớp ai cho tè bay. Do thì thò. Flap lên chú. Ngọt flap rồi. Flap mười cho thò. Brusco. Mà. Lại đó mang man. Cho mới sân bởi nhưng mà cho bà này. Boom.
No, he didn't. Okay, so the Barrett still got in the end, but had to use his retribution.
Yeah, and look at King Kong. He's behind by a level.
He's just not used to playing this kind of jungler.
We're not used to seeing this too.
Khóm. Khóm à.
King Kong's gonna be like, all right, guys, just wait for me. Give me a moment. I will get there.
Đấy bay
The
rồi.
moment he gets there, they're already somewhere else.
Không here.
The beast is used to being the hunter, not the hunted.
Yeah.
So here he's a big lumbering piece of meat.
It will take some time.
Chứ lỡ xa phá rồi.
Time for Onyx Philippines to group up
Anh
and
không mơ là cái gì rằng.
to engage in a fight against
Nó kéo cho xì hơn.
As it's
Bà há nữa.
Falcons,
Cho
even
theo ăn đi.
without the other members, they can decide to at least take on a fight, a skirmish, then just immediately get out
Rồi
of
bây giờ tay ông dậy vú à. Bởi nặng bởi lai nhau. Không thà tớ.
lineup can do,
Cô là
especially
shop thơ player hơi khôi thơ phản đó.
the diversion.
What we might see here is
Nếu pha có step up á. Không tới.
number one, where except this time, Team Falcons PH don't need to
À khá sprang cho ra từ home TNC. Ngà đọc kia 2 tơ lý nữa.
Naturally, they will take control of the map, but then Onyx can just wait and say, let's allow Irithel to farm up. We don't need farm on the Barretts, we just need the Barretts to eventually catch someone. What we need is our Irithel to be able to get to the point to deal damage. What we need is Super Prince to be
Kinh
able
công mà tơ đổ nhai sành đổ bán thêm nữa.
to get past enemy lines and surprise Team Falcon. So that's what
Rồi
Team
cay đi
Falcon
cho.
work with here. The
Cho đổ lỡ bán sang sang đổ.
Onyx might just blow up in their faces. They gotta watch out for that.
Again, easier said than done. This is assuming that Falcons will take it lying down, and lying down is the
Nói nhôm nham mà bọc hông vậy này.
doing is they're
Bọc mi những vợ chặt ca vậy này.
their most stationary member would be the Granger. So I'd say best case scenario
Rồi, rồi.
is that they can find
Mấy anh mới hụt kinh công á.
Bob's your uncle. We're cooking here, but unless you don't, if you
Nhóm
can't,
kết ôn nhá. Prime mà suy thần năng
contrary,
tê mà từ.
we're back to game 2 situation.
Vì ấy mình đổ kê
More like game 2.
nhai thêm bạch tới. Vậy ăn lì.
It's literally what?
Đó là cây đi với trên đồ đã rồi.
Run and gun.
Cây đi trên đồ đã.
Most of the
À Brusco sang ra bên đồ rồi đã.
So it's
Brusco sang đồ.
really deciding
Tới rồi mà suy sánh.
engage as well.
Miếng thằng sang đồ.
I think Onyx Philippines
Đổ xả sát.
have a way to work around with it, especially as you mentioned, if they do get to buy some time for Keldra, there's the diversion, there's the setups. It's not just the Daytona's welcome. I think King Kong this time around might be really more of a utility, just soaking in the damage. It's not the typical
Nói đi hả?
King of the Jungle gameplay which you or we're so used to seeing from him.
Yeah, this is just straight up calm.
It's just calm.
Just Cyric.
Oh, there
Here
you
we
go.
Sen says it's go time, and indeed it is.
Dạ,
Once
bộ
more,
Philippines là tới đổ miếng thằng sang đồ rồi. Chào mừng.
3 minutes. Team Falcons BH up by about 800 gold.
Yeah, and the level gap, Counties, he's still always in the
Thôi
lead
cho
of
coi đi.
Barretts. Let's see is he gonna rush the cursed helmet? Because the last time I think we saw that it did.
He can, he's on the way.
Yeah.
Ở có thằng ca subscribe ở cây đi với trên trên đồ. Với hiện đồ.
Could they actually look
Oi.
for an engage right here?
Uh-oh. Does Marco know? I think Ogun sees it. I think Ogun saw it.
Yeah, there it well. Because the moment Ogun got the information that okay,
Cái đăng
they're
mà.
using their diversion, Super Marco decided to hug his tower just a little bit closer and got closer to the wall so that it would.
Vậy là phía trên à từ đòn đổ bên sang đòn đổ rồi Philippines.
We saw him coming up and then he was like, no.
Phải
I'm
thấy
not
đổ
passing here.
xa xa
The
hay miền
cost
miến
of
á.
running Barats in the jungle. If you were a flicker Barats, you could maybe catch Marco, spit him out the other way.
Yeah.
But since you're you're honest about it, he can just hide.
Yeah, and since Falcons just always keeps Onyx within sight, just being able to damage them at least once always reveals to you.
Chứ mấy game nó buồn đập tiếng thở mùi mùi lên xe mà mình.
Diversion, so that was very unfortunate for Onyx Philippines, but could they actually attempt to contest this objective?
Phải teleport mới bắn.
Right? Orange
Ủa, sao đã?
here. Another diversion set up by Onyx, sending King Kong through that pixel.
Oh.
Kelra blasted down to half health. Ogwin slashing away.
Ogun was right there. He was ready to finish
But-
the kill, but Flapteezy uses the
Bum.
Winged Dragon onto
Tới
Ogun.
mặt.
That will be the first casualty of this fight.
Ôi!
We'll see
Falcon smooth lắm mày ơi!
there be a counter engagement
Falcon xe game đi.
because it seems like Falcons are just chasing after them. And
Smooth
they're
à, smooth à, smooth à.
It's all
Trời
Falcons
mẹ,
in
mà
that
set up kìa.
engagement. They're not even done. Prince
Đang mang buồn đập tí ở đây rồi.
HP walks away.
Raw.
Lần đấu sao sẽ shoot BA nữa ấy.
Just damage and loads of it coming from Falcons.
Ai tê à, teo cho
Yeah,
lên
Onyx has to
experience.
accept
Ở đằng
they're
này.
not gonna be winning
Teo à, cá thôi,
any
ban thờ
major
assistant là cá
engagement
mà.
easily up until maybe the 13th, 14th minute of this game. Falcons can just continue.
Các bạn
with the
PA Grand
control
Final
as
TNC một
long
số
as they don't mess up.
Elxu. Trời, ý Elxu thì quit rồi.
I don't think he immediately went for the cursed helmet.
Onyx đăng ta ọt bán tờ MC 2 tam nhung kịch.
Building up
Hello, hello.
some defense items.
Too expensive to commit that much gold into an item
Smooth à.
that needs
Falcon
time
ចាប់ដាំ
for the
smooth
rest of
ទៅ
the
អានោះ
build
គេ
up
ចាប់
now.
ដើមហើយ macro
Another
គេ
diversion
ខ្លាំងទៅ
here
ខ្លាំងទៅ
set up by Prince. Short rotation down bottom again. Marco reads the map so well. Marco knows something was up. There was shenanigans afoot, so he hides once.
គេ hack តារា hack
for it.
ចំណុចខ្សោយច្រើនណានៅក្នុង gameplay របស់ Aurora វាយនេះ
Here are just taking their time. They're setting up for this next turtle. They know that they don't have to rush it. They don't have to go too fast because Onyx is literally on a rail.
Yeah, and it feels so hard for Onyx and their positioning reliant heroes to actually look for a or the best position whenever they're
កៃរីវាហ៊ានដូរចេះ
I think
ដូរ
even
ច្រើន
recently or previously Few was able to reserve the win.
Rusco ទៅតាម season ផងញ៉ាយបានសង្សារដូរមួយ
We're just so cautious of it.
BA របស់
And
Orc ជួយ
the last time we saw Few use his ultimate, he read where Kelra would eventually enter and follow up. So this is just familiarity by Falcons, and might be on the way to seeing them get their revenge. But every time I say that, it gets cursed somehow.
We got 10 seconds until the turtle.
ដើរ
spawns.
តនេះគេបើពួកនឹងអភិវឌ្ឍខ្លួនទៅមុខទៀតទៅគេចាប់លេងបាន
Eyes on you all the time. Flapteezy here gets caught by a
តែបើអត់
wall.
អភិវឌ្ឍអាហ្នឹង
Break set
ធំ
up
ហ្នឹង
by
គេតបហ៎
Brusco. Quick diversion.
Oh, what
No one home. Oh my god, this whole time Ogren was keeping tabs on everyone.
Yeah. He just knew.
The master knows.
He felt it. He was like, something is wrong with the sands.
Oh my
Dude, I will not go
goodness.
here.
And look at where he stands. He's always right there. So whenever someone actually gets low, he's ready.
Whoa!
He's ready for it. But it seems like Onyx Philippines are the much more ready
Bum.
team. They go in for the
Okay,
engagement,
so
start
now.
the fight, but they don't know where Kyle Teasy
ផុចអានោះយកបានទៀត
And Kyle Teasy steals away the objective. Also
បប
will
Brusco
be taking
ប្រាក់
a kill with
ប្រាក់
it, but it goes
ប្រាក់
to Owen. Flap Teasy on towards the back.
អើចុយអានោះ
Kelra
ងាប់
might just be able
មិន
to
ស្មានអា flash អត់ងាប់
but he won't be able
ងាប់
to
ទាំង
get
Terra
out
ទៀត
of this. That's Super Marco on a killing spree.
Where's
Hey!
Fringe going in the middle?
Oh,
Taking down
Super Friend.
Few. Looking for one more. Can Kyle survive? Prince finds at least one in the exchange. Grand Theft Turtle. Kyle Teasy.
Too easy for a teasy. And it could be another kill.
អូ
And Bullet
អូ
Proof,
សង្ស័យដល់6
Marco
តាម
is
ទីនេះ
still 4-0 and 3.
ចៃយ៉ាគេ
No one
snowball ទៅ
can
ទៀត
get
ហ่า
to touch the bulletproof Marco. This is looking scary. He's still
គេ
getting
បាត់ hero អា King Kong
way ahead.
Kelra.
He's doing it again. He's making him look like a dude in the gold lane.
បាត់ hero អា King Kong ឲ្យអា Kirk លេ hero slow
Bulletproof here. You could definitely say Super Marco is back.
Terra
And
Lele
Falcons
get ខ្វល់
PH, tremendous draft. Run and
Oh,
gun.
Flap
except this
khơi
time
mà
it's
đây.
just running, but they're fighting.
Oh, Few, he's way,
Ờ,
way
bàn mùi.
low. He will be the first to fall.
Mùi
Super
đâu
Marcos
mùi?
will be traded as well. That's
Mùi
two
đâu
mid
pi?
laners down, but
អត់ដាច់ដាច់
Vanguard cancelled
Nó
out
tọt quá đấy.
by Onyx Philippines.
អឺទៅបាដាង
Looking for the free hits.
បាដាងវាយបបដាច់ Terra ដដែល
Takes him down just before he's about to do anything.
បុចបុច
Gets a
បុច
double kill
បុច
as well.
បុច
And Super
ម៉ែ
Marco once more unstoppable on the Granger.
And the Barats left to his own devices just smashes
គេ
through.
ទៅគេព្រម hero អា King Kong ឲ្យវាអត់ឲ្យវាលេងនេះទេ
He was playing the
អត់ឲ្យលេង assassin ទេឲ្យលេង assassin assassin យឺតយឺត បើចង់លេង assassin លឿនៗកុំឲ្យវាលេង
King Kong show up there, clean up house, and then turn things around for Onyx. But then all he could do is get a kill on the turret.
Yeah, this entire scenario between Super Marco and Kelra, it reminds
Ngon
us of how
nhẹp.
it has always been. season. It seems like in terms of
Chum.
performance, comparing these two gold laners, Super Marco getting the advantage almost every single time. Tends to
Chop.
be unnoticed.
In a vacuum, yes, Kelra does have an
ឥឡូវ
edge
teleport
over
ហ្នឹងអត់ប្រយោជន៍
Marco.
បាត់
But
ហើយ
you look at their
និយាយ
career
មែនហ្មង
all across the board.
ពួកគេអត់
you
split
would
អត់ហ្នឹង
be
គេ
looking
ទៅ
at
ជុំគ្នា
Marco and saying, yeah, we have to reconsider
Ô,
this
cái
is as
pressure
even a
mình
fight
sân.
as we once
ចុយយ៉ា
thought.
ឆ្លាតហើយ
Lord spawn down
ទុកឲ្យ
bottom.
Lord លើ
This
បុកទៀត
is
អើ
the
មានអ្នកលើ
first
បុក
Lord
ទៀត
of the game.
ព្រោះ9ទីហ្នឹងលេងមាន defend ហ្នឹង
Although I
Lord
can't
ត្រែ
believe
ទី
the
2
word's coming out. It's the first Lord.
Yeah, so much has happened.
We're at 12 and 5.
40 ផង
not
ហើយ
even 10
ពេលចូល
minutes in.
40
And he's still level
ហេ
11,
រួចតែ
whereas
បាននិយាយ
Scarlet is 15.
Approaching the 8-minute mark.
7.3 around that K gold lead for Falcons too.
The 8K
ឥឡូវ
gold
រ៉ា
lead,
ក្នុងស្រុកដូច
rather.
វាសាច់ហ្នឹង
This is
I've lost it. What?
I cannot believe what I'm seeing. As
អឺ ហូលឲ្យយូរអូនហើយហូលឲ្យបាន 16 ទីមកលុយចូលអញហើយយ៉ាអាឈឹម
Regardless of that gap, regardless of this lead.
They have to try. But Falcons, they are in a really good position right now. They shift 3 into the middle side brush. Oh, okay. They've sort of let go from the objective a little bit because they saw so many members of Onyx. They sent
ចុយយ៉ាគេ
Travis
ហោះទៅ
using
ប្រូ
with Ogwin Shadow
ហោះ
in
ដែរ
this case. And
គេហើយ
baits the diversion. No, it
គេហើយ
And they can
អឺ
afford to do
check
this.
web
They
ឃើញ
won't take much
flap
time.
flap 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 flicker
They will successfully
Trời, flicker
take
đuôi
down
ắt flick.
the XP laner for Falcons, but that's the raging sandstorm.
ដាច់
They
កើ
get
បាត់
to target
ចុយ
Kirk,
កើដូច
and
កណ្ដាស់អើយ
traded too.
ម៉ែកើដូចកណ្ដាស់
They're gone.
So if the math checks out,
អឺមិនកើនិយាយថា
1,000 gold
អើថយថយថយថយខ្ញុំតែអត់បានខ្ញុំដូចក្រដាស់អញ្ចឹង
Flap just for the firepower enough in Onyx to not be a valid
ស៊ីស៊ូនយកខើរបស់ MGS មែនគេ MGS
And Falcons are
Dinosaur
continuing the
tôi
trend of letting go
chẳng
of the
tên nè.
Lord. Okay, we're not gonna get anything there.
បាទ
So
con ធ្វើដូច
Flats
Diro
down.
ធ្វើ
The
ដាក់
slow
ដាក់
pushing up top,
ដាក់
Onyx
season
has to
season
think
1
about
final
it. They
ចឹង
will
បិទ
lose
ដៃ
that
ចឹងឥឡូវ
tower, but they're willing to
អំ
give it.
LPX
And
ឥ
Super
ណ្ឌូ
Friends
និយាយ
still
ស្ដាប់
looking for
គ្នាបាន
angles
តា
for
បង
diversion, which you have to
អើ
watch
ម៉ា
out
ឡេ
for the shrubs in the lower part of the jungle.
អើម៉ាឡេឥណ្ឌូនិយាយបានតែហ្វីលីពីនអត់ទេហ្វីលីពីន
No.
គេ
Will
ប្រើ
they able
ភា
to
សា
make
តាម
it?
កឡុក
There's the rush by Falcons, and they get
មកពីក្រោយអើយ
Oh my God.
អឺយកខែរ៉ាឲ្យគេវាយងាប់ Super Friend បាត់អត់មានតែមេប្រូ Wipe out ហ៎ Wipe out កន្លែងហ្នឹង Wipe out ហ៎អូ Super Marco ងាប់អត់អី ម្ដាយ Brusco យេបិទជាង Brusco Wipe out ឡើយ
Kirk decides to go in, saving Brusco
Whoa.
at the expense of his life.
អូ เกมនេះមិនស្រួលចាប់លឿនមកដែរខុសទៀតហើយអញ
Lord marching up top.
Idol Namakid survived that whole debacle. A soft veil in the middle of
Ah,
3
seal it.
chunky boys
កាន់អស់ស៊ីល
walks away like nothing happened.
អត់ទេទៅបាន
Look like they're gonna crumble.
ទៅបាន Super Marco នៅ
Minions
ឆ្ងាយ
are still gonna be coming in.
Oh,
They
Super Marco
are
នៅ
tanky. They can hold. The Phobius takes a while to go down.
No land
but
base
they
star នោះ
still
វាយ
do not have the damage.
No land base star តារា Search Man បូកជាមួយនឹង Endoyo
And
ដាក់អា
priceless is the
Cube នោះមក
control
បាយ
that
ជួយ
they
យ៉ា
have on the map.
6ឲ្យ stack 35 stack Sky Piercer មកថ្លៃ
They were probably able to shut down Super Marco in that most recent sequence. The stacks onto the Sky Piercer also slightly minimized, but that's just
អាច
bad.
16អាចលើស
Wherever the gold
16
went, it went to the wrong
under
person.
ភាគរយ under ច្រើន
If
កុំតែចេញ map ឲ្យគេ
someone
វាយបានដែរ
or
អាចលើស
maybe
16
Prince,
ចាំមក lot ហ្នឹង lot 1នាទីកន្លះ13កន្លះ13កន្លះវាយដាច់ contest 14 16 16អាចចូល17នាទី
It wasn't worth it. It wasn't all that.
With the lead that Falcons
7 នាទី
have,
មិនដាច់ហ្គេម
there's a
អាច over 100% នឹង over
ever Onyx can still hold out
ពេល
a
ចូល
little
0
bit
ហើយ
longer.
ដឹងតែ
Will their lineup
ខ្ញុំផុស
actually
rumor
be
ខ្ញុំយូរណាស់ហើយ
way too tanky for Falcons to handle eventually and just have Super Prince and Kelra and even Kirk be such a massive nuisance for Falcons to deal with that they can't respond anymore?
Not tough enough to protect them from the inevitable damage.
See
that
you
Marco
soon,
and Q
Pepe.
are dealing. It's the perfect mix. It's great range. It's a great profile. There's a good amount of
ការ
burst
PLKX លេងឯណែ
DPS,
ស្អែកនៅអីលេង
and they're across magic and physical.
Yeah.
I don't think all of Onyx can do that.
And if they do decide to pull
Chắc
or
bác
put
sĩ
all
bằng
of
sắp đi
the
tranh xôn vô
resources
đấy.
into a single team fight,
Chắn
that
nín.
would most likely be them grouped up together, which
ត្រូវ
you
ការតែ
would
lot ទេ
want to happen.
Not to mention Kyle. I didn't even make Kyle part of the formula. He hasn't died yet either. He's sitting at 6-0 and 5. He's a burst machine.
ហ្គេមនៅពេលគេ
Yeah,
ព្រម
he's at a
hero
point
team
where
make
he could
បោះ
deal
ចាំង color
bursts in
Onyx
quick
បាក់លេង
succession. It's not just, okay, I've used my fracture, I'm done here. It's, I've used my fracture, I can still hurt you even without it.
And he doesn't even have the sad sword yet. He's on the way.
He's about to
ពេលអាច
complete
ខ្លាំង
the
អត់
item
ខ្លាំង
where
នេះទៅពេល
Marco, he's already completed his. So this is like an additional layer
លេង
that
8 team ចុងខែ
Onyx
ហ្នឹង
Philippines
ចុងខែ
has
ហ្នឹង
to consider the wind of nature for Super Marco.
Uh-oh.
But wait,
This could be massive.
they're positioned really well.
Onyx
wait.
waits.
Oh, wait. Kyle.
They can sense it though.
They have
Oh!
Oh!
The use of the buff.
All right, that's a quick response with the
ជួយ
Conceal
អា
Blade.
ខាវច្បាស់មែន
They catch two members though, but there's the
Remember, the
counter
chip
raging
might be
sandstorm.
open
But
for
look at the
Falcon
damage
to
coming in
get
from
on. They can go
Kelra,
first
and they will be
One
bursting
flap,
down
boy.
Flap TZ first and foremost. They lose their XP laner right before the Lord.
For the first time.
អឺ6 10 ទីបាត់ហើយយើង fail បាត់ហើយ
Onyx
ដឹង
actually
over បាត់ហើយ
a
ចូលយ៉ាយក
raid
16នាទី
for free. Nothing paid for. Flap TT just drops.
អូហ្គេមហ្នឹងសូចូល
Onyx PH. Not gonna lie, I think we might be getting closer to my face.
King
But they're
Kong.
chasing King Kong!
Oh, the Cyclone Eye saves him from the windstorm.
And he even uses his Detonus Welcome really quickly to dash right away.
And he lives.
Oh, the jungler for Onyx Philippines survives for this Lord take. And Falcons, they lost Lapteezy earlier. So they're making extra effort just
Boy.
to for the openings.
Thật.
But Kirk gets bursted down just as
Chap,
he
chap, come on,
mentioned
nó trôi.
it. And who will be able to get hold of this objective?
Ô,
It's going
cái
to
vai
be
mà nữ
King
bốc
Kong
tia bắt
at
đây.
the expense
Cái
of
vai mà nữ bốc
Brusco.
tia hơi rất là lươn
But
mau.
he doesn't have the flicker
រត់លឿន
on
មក
him.
គេវាយមនុស្សបុកផ្ទះហើយ
Being chased by three.
ឯងតាំងងាប់កន្លែងហ្នឹងចាញ់មែនគេបុកផ្ទះប្រហើយ
King Kong can no longer survive.
A Barats like that ain't walking away from the type of damage Falcon is out.
ណែ link AFA link AFA ណានេះ
The Lord,
ឈ្មោះខ្ញុំហ្នឹងឯង
But it will be in vain. Onyx PH still staring down the barrel of a loaded gun.
Kirk 6 seconds from coming back. It will be 5 versus 3. It's going to be a tough defense, but doable for Onyx. Bruce goes back in 7.
flat អត់មានតត
Goes in,
ហ្នឹងហើយមក
taps
ជើង
in
ទៅ
some
បាត់
of the turret shots. Flap TZ doesn't have the way of the dragon just yet, but
Ah!
he will be able to take down all the base turrets. And they might be contented
អូ
with just
ហ្គេមនេះឡើងដល់18នាទីហ្មង
Mid.
អញ20នាទីជាងទៀត
Damage dealt to Onyx base. Top lane, their only shelter, the last bastion of Onyx comeback. Looking at the items, I'm wondering, right? You saw the damage that
វិញ
Falcons get
over
output.
ទេ6 10ទីដល់ over ហើយត្រាស់
He's still sitting with
ក៏ខ្ញុំ
zero
ទៀត
deaths.
16ឯណាទៀត18អើយអត់បានលុយទៀតអញស្បៃទៀត
Some anti-burst.
អំបិលអំបិលអំបិលអំបិលអំបិល
They have to get
មានអ្នកណាលក់អំបិលទេអំបិលអំបិលអំបិលរសជាតិអ៊ីយ៉ូត
that can thrive in long scenarios. If you survive that burst, you should be able to turn things around. Good itemization, by the way, by Flap TZ.
បាច់ចាញ់ទេចាំត្រឡប់មកចាញ់ងាប់លើហ្នឹង
Picked off and Keller decides to
តែចាញ់ងាប់ហើយ
gonna be dishing out just a little bit more hurt.
អើយបរោវិសិតអើយដួលបាត់ហើយខ្ញុំ
As well.
Oh, you're right. The only person who could hurt him is Friends.
17នាទីបាត់ fail challenge បាត់
point. And speaking of friends,
17ចូល18បាន fail តែលើ18អើយ
very precise.
អត់ទេហ្គេមនេះ20នាទី
It's been a common trend for Falcons to
20នាទី
always
មិនចប់
check the brushes
វា
and
មែន
sense
20នាទីមិនចប់
whenever there is a diversion play
ត្រូវយក lot ហ្នឹងកន្ថែមភាសាទៀត
Super Friends. And it just so happened that luckily for Onyx, even despite them being spotted out by Falcons, they were able to be the ones taking the
បុច
big-
បឹម
Okay. That hurt, that hurt.
Phew.
Oh, goodness.
That's some crazy damage.
ជុំ40វិទៀត18 18កន្ថែអាចចូល19 22នាទីបានចាប់គេហ្នឹង
How often do you see a
អញ
triple core
22ទៅ
setup?
23បានចាប់
It's rare. It's greedy, some people would say, but again, with the speed that Falcons
Few what
played
out- admin
this,
ultimate.
it worked. BFB there for King Kong's Barretts and
ខ្លះ make play ស៊ីស៊ូដល់ហើយចូល MBL ដឹងណាវាយណាទេដឹងតែល្អមើលហើយ
But Onyx PH are within
បាទ
grasp
ខន
now
កាច់
to
ក្រន
turn it
បើ
around from
ពេ
one
ពេមក
sequence.
តាម
Falcons
លេ
have
ឡង
to
ប្រេន
be
ស៊ីស៊ី
very
ដល់0ទៀត
careful, because if they're not, Onyx PH might
បង
just
ស្គាល់ដេ
pounce
ចាអត់
and take advantage.
ដេចាស្គាល់ឈ្មោះតែឯងមនុស្សអត់ស្គាល់គ្នាទេ
For an enhanced, nay, an evolved Lord spawns in the lower quarter. Again, 20 kills to 8 in favor of Falcons.
ឡតមកហើយ
We don't get to this
Oh,
point
free
very
lot
often in
balai,
Filipino
lot evo ah.
matchups, but if you get a triple core setup like this, you get
ឃើញហើយឃើញអត់ទេ
heroes
ពេពេឃើញ
like Falcons have. It does happen. Oh, triple core setup. The cores of Onyx were sent into that fence.
ម៉ែមួយ stake បាញ់លេងអស់ហើយហ្នឹង
Falcons know.
ម៉ែបាញ់យកមក
They've
សុ
been
ពរ
able
ម៉ា
to
កូ
take down that, tier 1 turret up top.
Yo what the hell
The minions
អូម៉ែឡើង800 stake ហ្នឹងអាបាញ់យ៉ាងហ្នឹងនោះមកបានអស់នោះ NG របស់ Super Marco
aware that Onyx
Chui nó bay luôn à.
The bottom side of this map.
The items already a Twilight armor there that we mentioned earlier built up for Kirk. Only
May I
one
come?
on the side of Onyx PH. Immortality already built up for Flat Easy's Cho, as he is the most susceptible to getting picked off.
Yep.
He is the one getting frontline vision. So this is what we were talking about earlier in game number 2 is Flat Easy getting vision for Ogwin.
Yeah. And Super Prince
អើ
also
បែប
has
បែបបែប
winter
តែគេហ្នឹងបាក់ចូលណា
just
ខាង
in case there
Onyx
are some clutch plays that might
អូនិក
make
តតែចាប់បាននេះ Super Marco
It's so even
Chạm
right
vào
now
chop à?
again. This is what we were talking about earlier. Falcons have acknowledged it that Onyx have caught up in terms of the resources. Count easy with the potion. It's gonna be a lot of damage dished out by this Nolan.
And they're keeping him scarce. Like he would show up just now, but then hide again. Diversion.
Oh!
Around the corner gets his view.
They find
Ừm,
View,
đẩy lươn
and
choi
force
máy
out the
à.
Windstorm too.
The
But it
knockup.
seems like Kirk, he's found his target. He's on to Super Marco, forcing out
Một
the
đồ
Wind
lộ
of
tình vật
Nature,
ba nọ.
and he will fall. But they
Ê!
zoned out
Ê!
Falcon really well. Even
Ốc
forced
Vân.
out the flicker from Master Ogwen, and now they're in full control of this Lord. But will Kyle Teasy make something
Let's go.
happen? Will he actually get to close in onto the members of Onyx Philippines? There goes the Detonas welcome, and on the other side of the map,
Ô, cái vai mà đứa này này.
Cusco traded
Bột.
two. It's
Bột.
a double kill for
Bột.
Super Marco
Bột.
as well. And
Bột.
it seems like they're
Bột.
chasing after Onyx.
And they're not done. They can actually
Bột,
finish
cái
this.
vai mà nữ.
Gets compromised.
There's no interground use, but
Trang
it's
mà
too
pay
late.
mà pay một tí.
It's only Kelra, the gold standard.
Chàng mà pay
And
người
in
tì
the battle of the world champions, Falcons shall prevail.
Falcons are here. And they take the series. 2-1.
mai cái ơi vô lọt hay cái vai mà nữ cái thứ này chắc
What a
Falcon.
series showed up